Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to enable hibernation in Windows 10. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what we're going to do first is come down to the search box, which is down here in the bottom left hand corner. What you want to do first is go ahead and type settings, and then go and open up the settings app, which should appear under best match. From here you're going to get a screen which looks like this, and what you want to do is click onto system, this one here. What we're going to do from here is actually go to the menu on the left hand side, and we're going to click onto power and sleep. And what we're going to do is come to the right hand side and actually click onto this one which says additional power settings. And then from here what we need to do is come to the menu on the left hand side, and we're going to go to choose what the power button does. So all you need to do, you can see the hibernate option is at the bottom. So by default in Windows 10 this is disabled, but you can turn this on. All you want to do is click onto this blue text at the top which says change settings that are currently unavailable. Just note, to do this you do need to have administrator rights, so make sure you are the administrator. So you want to give that a click and you'll see they are able to be selected, and then all you want to do is just tick the hibernate box and then click save changes. And that's set up the hibernation. So now if I go down to my start menu, and what I'm going to do is click the arrow to the right of where it says shutdown, and you'll see the hibernate option is now showing. So hibernation, basically it saves your session and turns off the computer. So everything that I've got loaded up, any files or anything, when I turn my computer back on, it will basically go back to the same as how it was when I turn it off. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.